Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my May Grandma in a Box. Now, you guys know, if you watched that video anyways, that I did decide to cancel this subscription, but I'm not really sure if it actually got canceled because I emailed them, but I never heard back from them. So it's entirely possible I get another box. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and email them again because I will be canceling this box because I just don't eat the stuff in time. But this box, I am going to do the cookies with my nieces. You guys saw them in one of my videos. Gabby and Ezzy, they're twins. They are just absolutely adorable. So I thought it would be really fun to go ahead and do the cookies with them this time because I'm going to be at their house doing some other videos with them as well. So I thought, why not throw this one in? So without further ado, let's see what I got this month. Okay, guys, so here's the box. They put their name on the front and they just wrap it all the way around the box. Let's see what we got this month. Ooh, everything's stuck to the top of the box here. Ooh, butterflies and blossoms for May. When you open it up, it looks like this. And we're going to take this little part away right here. Ooh, okay. And here's what it's looking like after I open it up. Okay, so they recently made some changes to their box. They're giving you more cookies and one less project. So instead of 3 projects, you're only going to have 2, which will be the cookies and 1 treat. It used to be the cookies and 2 treats, but because people thought that they should get more cookies in the box, they made some changes. So let's go ahead and tell you what we're making. The first project is pretzel ring flowers. Ooh, that sounds super fun. And then the second project will be the spring cookie decorating. Okay, so in the box for the pretzels, they sent these little ring pretzels. Okay, they send you everything that you're going to need to decorate. And then we have the melting chocolate. Looks like it's going to be like pink red kind of color, I guess. Then we have some M&Ms. Oh, I just want to eat those now. Like, you know, not make the flowers and just eat the M&Ms. I'm just saying. And that is everything I believe that we are going to need to make the oh, this is cute. We have a couple of fun stickers in there. Check that out. That's super cute. I guess they're throwing in something a little extra. They didn't used to do that before because they eliminated the 1 treat. But they did add more cookies, so it's kind of balancing itself out. Okay, so for the cookies this time, we have, I don't know, is that a butterfly? I'm really not sure, guys. You guys tell me what you think. I think that's a butterfly, so that would make sense. So we got some butterflies. Well, this looks like a butterfly. Oops. There we go. That looks like a butterfly cookie. I don't know what that other one is. It doesn't matter. And this looks like a tulip. So that's super cute. And then we have another flower-shaped cookie. Okay, so those would be the cookies, and then the icings. They gave us green, pink, purple, and blue. Those are all fun colors. And then you get a bunch of sugars to decorate your cookies with. And they also include some protective paper for your work surface as you're working on your projects. All right, guys, so the next little part will be me making the cookies. Well, not making the cookies, decorating the cookies and making the treats with my nieces. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go ahead and jump into that now. Okay, guys, for this first project, you're going to need some melting chocolate, some M&Ms, and some round pretzels. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your melting chocolate, dump it into the bowl, and melt it for 30 seconds or longer if needed until it looks like this. Once you've got your chocolate melted, go ahead and take your round pretzels and put them on the wax paper sheet that was included with your kit. And after you've got them all spread out, go ahead and take some of the melting chocolate and put it in the center and around the sides of the round pretzels. Now, I was a little generous with some of these, so I kind of ran out at the end and I just spread it out to make it work. It's totally fine. So once I get all of the chocolate in the centers of these, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take the M&Ms and decorate your flowers. I couldn't think of what they were called. So you're just going to take them and place them around as you see fit. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. Honestly, guys, I knew this would taste delicious. This was my favorite treat in the box. Well, I mean, the only other treat was the cookies, but you know what I'm saying. So I really like this because the combination of the chocolate with the pretzel and the M&Ms was absolutely delicious. Unfortunately, I wish we had more of these because, you know, there was a lot of us this day, so we each only got one. And now we're moving on to the cookies. This is Ezzy doing the outline on her sugar cookie. And then we're moving over to Gabby here. She's working on her cookie. It was so much more fun with the kids, guys. It really was. This is Levi working on his. I just might keep this box because it was a lot of fun doing these with the kids. Look at my son spinning in the background. That's awesome. And I'm telling you what, guys, it was so much more fun with the kids. I like decorating cookies, but it's just a lot more fun when you're able to do this with kids, and I'm pretty sure that that is what this box is designed for. So we had a lot of fun decorating the cookies. I'm just going to let you guys watch them and watch my son play with the dog and the background as they decorate. Okay, guys, so we're winding down with the decorating. We only have one child left who needs to finish. That is Gabby. She has this little caterpillar that she needs to finish decorating. So she's using what's left of the icing to decorate the caterpillar here. And you know what, guys? There was plenty of icing. I was kind of worried about that, especially with the kids using so much icing. I told them, I said, now remember, there has to be enough for all of the cookies. So they were generous on some cookies and some cookies they weren't. But all of the cookies ended up having icing on them. It was perfect. This was so incredibly fun, guys. It really was. I'm so glad that I decided to take this to their house, and I honestly may do that once a month and go ahead and keep the subscription, as I mentioned before. So Gabby's just taking her good old time finishing up this caterpillar, decorating it how she thinks looks best. She's putting some of the little sugar on top. And guys, once she finishes up decorating these cookies, they are done. And here's our final treats. Now, guys, keep in mind, it was very small children that were helping me decorate these cookies and make these treats, so nothing is going to be perfect, but I think everything looks great. They did an amazing job with decorating these cookies. That was so much fun, guys. It is a lot more fun with kids, let me tell you, so I would highly suggest if anyone gets this box that they have some kids that they can decorate the cookies with. This was so much fun. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was my May Gramma in a box. I hope you enjoyed watching me and my nieces decorate those cookies together. It was so super fun. And yeah, this might be my last one. If it is, then you won't see it anymore. And if they didn't cancel it and I end up getting another box, I won't be mad about that. I will probably just ask my nieces if they want to decorate cookies again. I don't know. Maybe I'll keep getting it and just do it at their house and leave the cookies there so they actually get eaten. I don't know. We'll have to see. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday. I was going to say surprise Sunday. Try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's subscription box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my What are we in? Bro, May. We're in May. It's May's Grandma in a Box. Try it again. Okay, guys. Hopefully that was... and they could not possibly do a worse job decorating the cookies or making the treats than I do. So it was... I don't know yet because I didn't do it. Okay.